Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to create an WhatsApp account. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Now, to create an WhatsApp account, first of all, tap open WhatsApp app on your phone. Since we are new to WhatsApp, tap on agree and continue to agree to the terms of service of WhatsApp. Here you need to verify your phone number to proceed further. So type your phone number and tap next. Now select either you like to edit the phone number if it is not okay, or tap on OK option if the phone number is correct. Now enter the code that has been sent to your phone number. Now type your name here to create an account and tap next. Your WhatsApp account has been created. I hope this video helped you learn how to create an WhatsApp account. Do like and leave a comment on the comment box.